In this tutorial, we're looking at the audit function accessed from the left-hand menu. And during this session, we'll be looking at how to complete an audit and how to design your own audits. So from this menu here, you can see that we have a range of audits in place, and on the right-hand side here, about how you can actually answer the audit. So by clicking in, we're able to see here the different sections and the questions related to the sections, and here the question type of how to do your responses. There's a dashboard of the responses, which collates all the information together. In this audit, there are 25 different sections with questions underneath each one. You have the ability to create your school development plan from the results of your audit, and you can also link your school development plan as evidence. Evidence can also be uploaded here by clicking the plus, and that can be linked to a particular folder, particular department, evidence type, so it can be a file, text or URL. Put the title in and click save. This is a history of all the submissions so far, and for you to actually submit your audit, you come to here, your name populates up here, you put any notes in that you feel useful, and you click submit. Now I'm actually going to look at how to set up an audit. So using what we've just been following, click on settings. And first of all, we have to create a form. So I'm just going to go add form and create audit. So do we want to link it to the development plan? We want to reset answers, so the choice is yours. Brief description on what that audit's about. Evidence, do we want evidence to be uploaded? And a chart. With that, we click add. What we need to know as well is about what types of questions we want to put in there. So by looking here, you can see the question options that have been set up. So here's a yes, no answer, roles, participants. So if we look at the yes, no, that's the title of it. What does it mean, the options? So we've got yes and no. So if I wanted to create maybe, I could put that in here and choose a colour. So I can choose whatever outcome of the questions that I want to put in here. So if I go back to my form, my audit, now I'm able to set it up. So as with health and safety, that was divided into 25 different sections. So I first of all can start looking at the sections that I want to set up. So I can set it up as A, B, etc. for our example. Choose the colour, click add. Then I can choose the questions. So once I'm in the questions, what questions do I want to put in place? So we have a particular question. What answer do I want? So in the case of here, it's yes, no. I can put extra guidance in if I wanted to. I can choose the settings, and I can choose a particular colour. Foreground colour, background colour. I'm going to link it to that section. How do I want the answer to be up here? So I can have a drop down if need be, or a radio button. And what response do I want? Yes, no. And I click add. So all of a sudden, over time, I bring that and I populate this. And with that, that will populate your audit ready to use. So if we now